Harley-Davidson once again stirs the nostalgia of classic motorcycle lovers by releasing the Fat Boy Grey Ghost 2025, a limited edition that honors the 35 years of the Fat Boy model. This motorcycle not only appears as a symbol of history but also presents a combination of iconic design and modern touches that make it very special in the Harley-Davidson big bike line. The first thing that stands out about the Grey Ghost is its color. Called reflection, this finish is not just ordinary paint but the result of physical vapor deposition (PVD) technology that produces a shiny mirror-like appearance. This makes it one of the first Harley motorcycles to use PVD on large parts such as the fuel tank and fenders, not just small accessories. In addition to looking luxurious and elegant, this finish is also more resistant to corrosion than traditional chrome plating. Harley-Davidson did not forget to provide a touch of detail that is full of historical meaning. There is a three-dimensional tank medallion that takes inspiration from the 1990 model, complete with a special edition numbered tank console and a leather seat with lace and tassels. Elements that are reminiscent of the bad boy style typical of the early Fat Boy era. The wheels remain the Lancaster model made of cast aluminum, maintaining the sturdy and masculine silhouette that has been the hallmark of the Fat Boy since the beginning. The heart of the Grey Ghost is the Milwaukee 8117 custom engine, which produces 101 horsepower at 4,800 RPM and peak torque of 122 lb-ft at 3,000 RPM. Although slightly lower than the standard Fat Boy 104 horsepower and 126 lb-ft, this engine is still capable of delivering powerful performance and a typical Harley sound. One interesting thing is the use of a round air cleaner, which is different from the standard model. This design is a direct homage to the appearance of the first-generation Fat Boy, making the Grey Ghost feel like a time travel that is still capable of speeding on today's roads. Despite its classic appearance, the Grey Ghost is not left behind in terms of modern features. This motorbike has been equipped with adjustable riding modes as well as lean-sensitive electronics to improve stability and control when cornering sharply. The suspension has also been updated to provide maximum comfort both for solo and tandem riding. With only 1,990 units produced globally, this number is no coincidence. It's a direct nod to the Fat Boy's first year of release, 1990. Each unit will be individually numbered on its tank, making it a highly sought-after collector's item. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy Grey Ghost is more than just a motorcycle, it's a work of art that celebrates history, embodies classic design heritage, and blends with modern technological advancements. For true Harley enthusiasts, especially those who appreciate the meaning behind every detail, the Grey Ghost is a symbol of a long journey and an undying spirit.